So for this example, we're going to rearrange this and get m alone. So the very first thing I'm going to do is locate m. I locate it on the right-hand side, so that means I need to move everything to the opposite side. So in terms of what you move first, you're going to want to move, since m is underneath the root symbol, you want to move what's outside of the root symbol, which is the 2 pi. And because it's next to the root with no symbol there, in between them, this means it's being multiplied together. So the opposite of multiplication would be division. So we're going to be dividing both sides by 2 pi. So on the left-hand side, I'm left with t over 2 pi. And on the right-hand side, I have the square root of m over k. So because m is underneath the root symbol, we need to get rid of the root symbol. So the opposite of square rooting something is raising it to the second power. So if I raise the right side to the second power, I have to raise the left side to the second power. So notice that the left side is a fraction, so you're going to be squaring the numerator and also squaring the denominator. So if I square the numerator, t times t is t squared, and then the denominator, 2 pi times 2 pi is just 2 pi squared. And that's equal to m over k. And if you want, you could rewrite 2 pi squared as t squared over 4 pi squared, because 2 squared is 4. So let's rewrite this over here. So t squared over 4 pi squared is equal to m over k. One last step to isolate the m. The opposite of dividing, this is division, the opposite of dividing by k would be multiplying both sides by k. So I get m is equal to, the k needs to be in the numerator when you multiply it with this fraction here, because it's k over 1. So I would have k t squared all over 4 pi squared.